you? Hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting this video, I'm talking about Hook protocol. And guys, if you want to join my Telegram group, guys, for free signal, for free market update, so join now. The link is available in video description. Unlimited signal I'm giving you on my Telegram, so must join Telegram and never miss any signals, guys. So Hook coin recently listed on Binance, and due to the listing, it's pumped very well, guys. You can see here 2.74 is the highest, and just yesterday it's listed in the market, but currently no volume increasing. Currently it is stuck, guys. You can see here the price pump very well from last 24 hours, guys, and recently it's going to symmetric triangle, so possibilities that it will pump more and more up to 5%, possible up to $5. It's my target for Hook protocol coin, guys. So I recommend that if you want to buy Hook for a long time, so I think it's the best for long time buying, guys. Buy now and just hold for one month for 2 months, guys. Thanks for watching, and must join my Telegram group, guys, because on Telegram I share the latest signals every day.